Latte or Lamborghini? Does your coffee habit actually stop you from saving enough for a Lamborghini? You've probably heard it 1,000 times before. Stop buying coffee, no more avocado toast. You could have bought a house or Lambo if you had saved that money. Well, is that true? We ran the numbers, and the answer might surprise you. The two most basic coffees at Starbucks cost about $5. So if you cut your coffee habit or budget well, you could probably save about $5 a day. If you saved $5 for 50 years, you would have $91,250. Not bad, but definitely not enough for a Lambo. Even the cheapest Lambo, the Lamborghini Huracan Coupe, costs $219,000, with the fancier ones costing over $1 million. But what if you invested it in the stock market? Suppose you invested it in the S&P 500 and earned a 10% compound return, which is the average rate historically. How much would you have? What's your guess? $100,000? $200,000? No. That $91,000 turned into over $2 million. Here's a chart showing the return. It's not much at first, but due to the power of compound interest, you end up making a ton of money. Yes, enough to buy a Lambo. Of course, no one can predict the future, so you could lose money if you invest. But if you don't, you could miss out on a Lambo. Anyways, who's on their way to Starbucks and who's going to start investing?